We'll guide you through how to make an aesthetic Discord message with Carbot. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
The first thing that you need to do is create a welcome channel. If you don't have a welcome channel, you can just click on the plus icon in the text channel and give your channel a name. Let's name it as welcome and click on create channel. Now right click on your welcome channel and choose to edit channel. Go to the permissions tab and expand the advanced options. Here you want to enable view channel and read message history, and then disable send message and add reaction. Just disable add reaction and disable send message. After that, just click on save changes, and once that's done, now we need to set up Carbot. Just go to your server name and go to app directory. Just search for Carbot and click on the Carbot, click on add app, select your server and click on continue and authorize it. And as you can see, Carbot has been successfully added to our server and it is visible at the right hand side. Now let's just go to our browser, search for Carbot dashboard. From here, just log in with your Discord, authorize it and select your server, which in my case is going to be GuideRealm. And from here at the left hand side, scroll down and under utility, you will see greetings. This is where we will design our aesthetic message. Click on show embed builder for more advanced options. At the left hand side, just select your welcome channel, which in our case is going to be welcome channel that we created earlier like so, and you can start writing your message. So we'll delete the pre-existing one and you can use the variables from here. We're just gonna start by typing a hashtag and then space and just type welcome to the server. Basically a hashtag and space makes it as a heading. So I'll just type my message, and as you can see I have successfully typed my message. So basically hashtag gives or makes the text behind it as the heading, and if you want to add emoji, just press Windows and period key on your keyboard and you can select any emojis from here. You can also add special characters like symbols to make it feel or look more aesthetic. So to add an emoji, just select an emoji and it will be written here. So basically the mention variable mentions the person that they are joining, and our double asterisk makes the text inside bold, and you can also add server emoji. So I'll just go back to Discord and send my server emoji, and after typing my server emoji, I'll just go in the front of the emoji and just type a backslash and hit enter. And basically this is the ID that you should copy for server emoji. So I'll just select it and press Ctrl C and go back to our browser and paste it here like so. And I will also show you how to add or mention some specific channel. So let's say I want to add my channel here. So I'll just type for roles, please visit the, and after typing the text, I'll just go to Discord and just type hashtag and select the channel that you want to mention. In my case, it's going to be reaction role. And after typing that, I'll just go in front of the message and type a backslash and hit enter. And you will see this ID. Just highlight the ID and press Ctrl C to copy, and just go to your browser once again and paste it here like so. And we have successfully added and mentioned our channel in the welcome message. And you can toggle color picker. So basically this will be the color at the side. So I'll suggest keeping it to match your server aesthetic. In my case, it's going to be a little white like so, and you can see the preview here. And after you have configured the settings, just click on save. Now just go back to Discord. Now right click on your welcome channel and go to edit channel once again and go to permissions. Now just add the Carbot role, and once the Carbot is selected, scroll down and enable the send message like so, and then save the changes. And after sending the message, just go back to our text channel and finally type /greeting test greet and hit enter. And as you can see, we have successfully created our aesthetic welcome message using Carbot.